everybody back to the channel, guys. Today I got a video for you guys regarding our transmission. That's right, transmission time. So we are getting a service. I am getting it completely flushed at 27,000. Well, it'll be 28,000 miles by the time I get to Austin Infinity. It's about a 3-hour drive for me from Dallas, but we're gonna get a service. The reason being is I've driven my car over the past just about 24 months really aggressively, really hard, a lot of track passes, almost 200, and I'm curious to see, just, well, it may not be due, but just for the video's sake, to give you guys an idea of what it'll look like after I got done through it. 24 months of 28,000 miles and a lot of abuse. Let's see what the fluid looks like. I know what Nissan Infinity states, this fluid is not supposed to be swapped until possibly over 100,000 miles, and in some cases you don't even need to service it. That information is in your service manual, and it's also any master tech and Infinity Nissan will be able to tell you the exact same thing. I know those folks have actually driven their cars for 170, 180,000 miles, and it still shifts like day one without an issue. And for a fact, if you take it in after, like, I think 105,000 miles to the dealership, they won't even flush the transmission anymore. They'll just do a drain and refill. So I kind of just want to get it flushed now and see what's going on. Maybe the fluid's broken down a little bit, maybe it's not, but I'm very curious to know. Something else that we did in the past was I changed my rear diff fluid with Motul 300 75W90 synthetic fluid. Now the rear diff from the factory does come synthetic, which is good, but the front diff doesn't. You guys know this is an all-wheel drive car, so we're gonna be doing the service on the front diff and adding Motul 300 75W90 as well and making it synthetic. Now I highly doubt that fluid is broken down because really this car was not used in all-wheel drive mode often. I mean, during the track passes it probably did, or during winter in Michigan it probably did, but I don't think it was used that aggressively to the point where the fluid is broken down. But if it is, well, we're gonna swap it out today. So I know a lot of you guys asked me for this video, and I say this every video. I have so many requests for you guys, so I'm making the video for you guys. So maybe Austin Infinity has anything they can show us in this video. We'll see when we get there. But it's a 3-hour drive. I don't want to bore you guys on the entire way there with me just talking, so I'll see you guys when we get there.
All right, guys, we're here at Austin Infinity. We're getting our transfer case fluid change first. Chris, the master tech here, is helping us out today. I'm really curious to see what this fluid's going to look like. Everybody that has pulled it out, the front one has been like completely burnt.
We're about to find out.
Guess so.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh. Not sure what to make of that.
Not bad, not pretty, right in between.
It was time.
Yeah, it was time. It was time.
That's good.
Yeah,
no metal chunks that flew out at me, so I guess it's a good thing.
Yeah.
That's not too bad. Looks like,
yeah.
Looks like the rear when I took it out.
Yep, that's exactly what it looks like. So as long as they look the same, you know you're good.
All right. So I guess we're in for a treat here.
Yeah, these are the Alpha drag wheels. We had them specially coated or requested a special color.
His car is blue, right? So it'd probably match. Yes. Oh boy. Oh wow. Billet Specialties.
Yep. These are this is the company that AMS uses.
Guys, if you know who this is Craig Isaacs.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Oh my God. I don't even know if the camera's gonna pick that up that well.
It's difficult to photograph.
He is a lucky guy.
Yep. And so those are going to be bead locks, and
wow,
this is the actual lock.
It's the actual lock ring right there.
Yeah.
Those are beautiful.
Yeah. So we're picking out some tires for him.
Mr. Diaz, you're a lucky guy. That's all I got to say.
Right.
Well, just like that, the front diff fluid is done, and we're moving on to the transmission. We used same fluid as last time from a rear diff, Motul Gear 300 75W90, and yeah, you heard what he said. It wasn't that bad, so looking forward to see what the transmission looks like. Well, guys, a little bit of bad news, but I mean, it is what it is. The machines they use to flush the transmissions no longer are inside of the building. Some long story that I don't want to explain on camera. Anyways, it's not a big deal, but we're just gonna drain and refill it today. It was 4 quarts instead of a full flush, which is 12 quarts. So I just learned this, where this is the drain point for the transmission and the fill point is right next to it. We'll see what this looks like.
Ready?
Yeah. That's how I'll ever be. Oh, isn't that supposed to be red?
Yeah, but
You said it
this
always.
isn't. Yeah, they always come out looking like motor oil.
Okay. I'll take your insurance, reassurance.
Put a chocolate syrup in there?
No, no, take it easy on me.
I'm just kidding. That's what they always.
Okay, that's good.
See, there, you heard it. You heard it twice.
All right, guys. So we've drained it all. You guys saw what the color looked like. Now we're going to fill it. That's how it's filled through there, using this little contraption over here. I can't believe that's how it's filled up. I thought it was kind of like the diff and the front diff, where it's in an up location.
Oh,
Different style of tool.
Yeah,
yeah, it's the tool in general.
that's cool.
I do remember it. Yeah, it's been a while.
All right, that's cool. Watch the fluid go up. All right.
Man, you ever seen a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2? Secret of the Ooze? They start pumping that ooze in there?
Yeah, I remember. It's been a while. It's been a while. There you go. Just like that, we are done. Trans got drained and refilled, and we did the front diff. To mention, we couldn't even do the trans flush because they don't have the machines here. Actually, the dealership doesn't even have them anymore. But we're done. Oh, you know I'm gonna test that launch control on the way home now. See if it'll shift. That's an RE500. That's an RE500. There's another one. I think, did he leave?
No, that's it.
Oh, that's it right there. Yep, another RE500. And here's an RE500. Oh, that's Joe's car. Is that stock? Sounds stock. Holy crap, that's not stock. I like the wing on the back. It's different.
From a European company.
Is this still an up rev?
Yeah.
It is. There you go, guys. Up rev 2 Q60.
One of the only ones.
Yeah. Wow.
The rest of the tubing for the intake tractor.
Is that okay? Video?
Yeah.
Okay. So how's the thermal results have been for the intercooler?
Unreal.
Unreal?
Yeah. So it actually had it where we only had one at the time. We had a stock one on the other side.
Okay.
Just to see how the coating went. And we want to compare side-to-side notes. And it actually tried to add so much timing to one side and the car was actually running.
Wow.
Yeah.
You guys doing it as a service anytime soon?
All for the service?
Yeah. So the car's running, right?
Yes.
And it's freezing cold.
I wish I had a thermal gun with me right now.
I wish you had a
don't know
thermal
what it
gun
is.
with you
He's got
too.
a thermal imager.
He's got it.
Do you have one?
Yeah,
Oh, I
yeah.
want to see this. Is that because of the killer as well?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's chilling.
Instant. I mean, I barely turned it on.
Holy
Yeah,
cow.
he literally just started over there.
Out of the parking lot.
He just started and ran over
No
there.
way. Normally those things are burning up after that a little while.
Yeah. This thing's been idling for a whole couple of minutes. Yep.
Yeah. All right. So what do we have here? That is a oh my god. So everything in red, orange, so to speak.
So that's your max temperature.
Okay.
In your base, so up front. But then that's your.
57 degree, guys.
And that's just
57
at idle.
degrees. That's just at idle. That's crazy.
So what's it? So once you actually get the AC compressor.
Look, the other one's the exact same temperature.
Oh yeah, it'll be like that always.
Wow.
And we see about a 20 degree or so increase on a run. And by the time you come back around the track, it's already back to 50.
Back to 50.
And
Hot lapped it.
we've hot lapped this thing up to 4 or 5 times on full kill.
Wow.
And it's never gone over 70 degrees. Meters square meters of space.
Right there. Chiller. The Z1 did a great job with these hoses though. I like them.
They fit perfect.
They fit, but yeah, they all. No, you're fine. They always do a really good
All
job at all the hoses. Yeah.
Yeah, the hoses were. It's a nice touch.
Yeah.
I like it. All of them fit perfect.
Well, guys, here's some Power Pro Engineering intakes. You can see them in there. There you go. I like the JDM filters.
Yeah, right?
The JDM.
Old school, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. You know, you should put a little wing in the middle of that big wing. Just put a little one. What was the name? What was the name of the company that makes it? Larte. Okay. All right, guys. So everything's done. It's getting a little dark right now.
So I want to end this video right here, but hope you guys can see me okay. But yeah, everything's done. We're gonna go ahead and grab some food, grab a drink, and head out. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hopefully this video has kind of showed you guys what to expect whenever you do these fluid changes on your car, and go from there. So tune in next time.
2 hours later.